In my 3 years with Tosh as an organization, I have always been provided with very productive and learning working environment, which have allowed me to take up challenges and push my boundaries in terms of learning. With Tosh being an export organization, I get to interact with a lot of people and companies all across the globe. This helps me to understand their economies better as well as the international trade better. Now, this puts us in a very better shape to face macroeconomic challenges.
ATOS treats employees as their own family members and there is no discrimination. There are immense of opportunity for an employees to grow and the wonderful environment promotes this as well. ATOS work culture promotes honesty, hard work, self-confident, growth, freedom and success. I am happy to work at ATOS.
Hi, good morning all. I am Arogyaraj working in Ethos and Sons India Limited. You all know me as a tea taster and buyer, but before reaching this destination, I started as a supervisor. Due to my hard work and honest, I reached the present positions with a great respect. I am very proud to work here because they gave me a space to expose my knowledge and view on this field. So far, successfully worked for 10 years. Still, I love to work here. Thanks to Almighty for blessing me and my company. Happy Labour's Day to all.
Having a productive and conductive environment at work is more than just ensuring a comfortable physical space. Such an environment at the workplace has helped to strengthen the bonds among employees and staff. This continuously helps in having frequent and open communication, hereby increasing proactivity. At Ethos, achievements are regularly recognized. This helps to boost our confidence and morale of the staff members. The company provides an engaging working environment.
At Tosh, there are no boundaries. Skill development is a continuous process. Learn, unlearn, and relearn is our driving motto to meet the ever-changing needs of the industry. In this process, we manifest ourselves, learn to take ownership of our decisions, which gives us the highest level of satisfaction and self-esteem. We are proud to be associated with a company which has 120 years of legacy and gives highest human asset valuation.